welcome to a new video. Today, we're diving into a problem related to a code example from the Android developers code lab. The issue at hand revolves around understanding certain function calls and lambdas within the Rally Material Study project. As we explore an overview screen composable that includes an accounts card, we encounter intricacies in the code structure that might be puzzling for some. Now, let's delve into the solution to the problem we mentioned earlier. In the code snippet, the parameters values and colors are declared as function types that take a parameter of type t. The lambda expressions used for values and colors can refer to this parameter using it. By assigning appropriate expressions for these parameters, such as account.color and account.balance, we provide a clear reference to the attributes of the account class. Building upon the previous explanation, the lambda expressions assigned to values and colors play a vital role in defining how the data is displayed in the overview screen card. By utilizing the parameter account in these expressions, we establish a direct link to the specific attributes of each account object. This approach enables dynamic rendering of account details based on the data provided, ensuring a flexible and robust display mechanism. In conclusion, we've explored the complexities of function calls and lambdas in the Android developers code lab code example, focusing on the parameters of values and colors in the overview screen card function. By understanding how these parameters are utilized with lambda expressions referencing account attributes, we gain insight into the dynamic nature of the UI elements in the app. I hope this explanation has shed light on the nuances of the code structure and how it influences the app's behavior. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.